Good morning, students. As we are continuing the chapter water bodies and also completed the oceans, today we will learn about the importance of ocean. Oceans play a significant role in the life of mankind, either directly or indirectly. Why oceans are important to us or how the oceans are important. There are many aspects. Let's discuss one by one. First is source of water. Ocean serves as a major source of water in the life of human beings, not directly, because the water of ocean is salty, but through the water cycle, by the process of water cycle. If it is remembered to you, I already explained you the in the beginning of the chapter water cycle. What happens? This is the sun. It is reflecting its radiation to the earth, which is absorbed not only by the land but also by the oceans. So, when the water of the ocean become heated, it evaporates, converts into water vapor. Those water vapor, when rises up, converts into the tiny droplets of water, and at the high altitude they condense and forms the cloud. Those clouds falls down in the form of precipitation on the earth. What is important in this water cycle? This the rainwater. Rainwater is one of the safest water to drink. It is a pure water. No chemical is added in this water. And also this water can be used in different purposes. Next is climate. Climate also regulates, oceans also regulates our climate. How? See, when the sun is reflecting its rays, radiation to the earth, this is equator. So the part of the equator being spherical in shape, the part of the equator get heated first. Not only the land but also the water in comparison to the whole area. There is a movement in the ocean water. The horizontal movement in the ocean water is called as waves, whereas the vertical movement is called as tide. So that water, the warm water, transfers from the equator to the poles, and the cold water of the pole is transferred to the equator. In the absence of these ocean current, as I said, there is a movement in the water, and those waves are called as the movement of ocean water. Those waves is called as a current, ocean current. So in the absence of this ocean current, some part of the land become too hot, whereas some part remains too cold. So by this process, the movement of the ocean water or the currents, ocean currents, it maintains the climate. It heats the land and air in winter and cools in summer. So the oceans are helpful in maintaining the climate. Source of food. Oceans are the storehouse of seafood. Millions of people take fish as their main food, especially the people who live near the coastal areas. Along with that, in many of the countries, people eat seaweed. Seaweed. What is seaweed? It is a microscopic multicellular marine algae which is used by the human beings in their food. Beside that, many of the sea animals also provide some products such as oil, glue, cattle feed, etc. Next is the mineral and chemical resources. Oceans are also the storehouse, or in ocean there are large reserves of minerals. Do you know the common salt, the salt we add in our food, which we used in our daily diet, from where do we get? Yes, we get it from the oceans. There are large reserves of sodium chloride, potassium chloride, magnesium chloride are in the oceans. Next is a source of oil. We people are using different mode of transport to move from one place to another place. Do you know the vehicles which are running, the fuel which is used in those vehicles, from where do we get? Also, the food which we cook on a gas stove, from where do we get that gas? Yes, there are the reserves of natural gas and petroleum under the ocean. The reserves are also under the land, under the ground, but a large reserves are under the ocean. Many of the countries are dependent on the ocean for their to get the petroleum and natural gas from there. In India, the example is Bombay High. Next is produce energy. What type of energy? As I said that there is a movement in the ocean water. That movement of ocean water is called as current. Vertical movement is called as waves and the horizontal movement is called as tide. So how the tides develop? There is a connection with the moon. The movement in the tides, their connection is with the moon, which I explained you later. But those tides are used to generate the energy. How? The turbines are set up under the ocean and those turbines are connected with the generator which generate the electricity. So here again the oceans are helpful in generating the electricity or in the energy that is called as the tidal energy. Next is trade and transport. As we know, all the continents are interconnected with each other by the oceans. So, ocean serves as a best and the cheap mode of transport for exporting and importing the either the raw material or the finished good. We can easily transport especially the bulky products through the ocean by the ships. So again, ocean are helpful as a mode of transportation and the trade. Next is shelter for marine creatures. About 3 lakh species are there which live under the water. They are essential as they maintain a role in the chain of ecosystem. We can also see the whales, dolphins, turtles live in the water. They have their shelter or life in the water also. So they are helpful to those marine creatures. Next is the job opportunities. About 59.6 million people are engaged in fisheries according to the survey of 2016. People, especially living near the coastal areas, they get a job near the sea, beach, or which are the jobs related with the ocean, such as they get the job in the fisheries, in diving schools, as a lifeguards, then business tourists who are just coming to spend their holidays, they serve as a lifeguard, then holiday accommodation, and many more are there, so they get their job opportunities there. Tourist zone. Ocean also serves as a tourist place for the people. People in their vacation like to spend their holidays near the sea coast, or as they find it is peaceful area and enjoy, especially in the summer season. So it also serves as a tourist attraction for the people. So these are some of the aspects of why the oceans are important for the human beings.